my channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about the projection of lines, part 1, a rotating line method, and the line inclination to both the planes. The objective of this video is to know about the basics of AutoCAD and also basic concept of engineering drawing. And for that first problem, a line CD measuring 8 mm is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. The point C is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of the straight line. This is a straight problem. Okay, the true length is given and inclination to HP, that is theta, is given 30 degree. Inclination to VP 45 degree. Phi is given. To be find out top view length and front view length, and also the true inclination of this top view and front view length. This is first problem. Let's go to the video and first the AutoCAD. The basic commands in the video going to be used for this AutoCAD: units, line, offset, M, rotate. See, UN, L, O, M, R, O. Those are the shortcut keys for the command window in AutoCAD. So first, I type it as units. So units, enter. So decimal in the sense both meter and millimeter, centimeter. Everything is I'm coming under decimal. 0.0. The insertion scale will be millimeters. So, okay. Now the UCS icon, so universal coordinate system, right? So if you don't want this, so go to view and off the UCS icon if it is disturbance for you, right? Then now coming to the problem, first I take a line, so L line, so place it anywhere. Just I click on this, and here just I, so this is called XY line, that is reference line. Say example I take it as 50, just type it as 50 and escape, right? So this is a line XY, right? Then so if you want to name it as, use text, then track it and name it as capital X, and increasing the, select the text and increasing the size up to 5. If you want to small, again I type it as select and 2, and just move, select the text and just move it like this. Then this is ortho command, ortho mode. So if it is on, so the, you should move it in the either vertical or horizontal. So if it is ortho mode is off, you can move it anywhere, right? Now the command is, so one more command, it is copy CO. Now just I copy CO, enter, and select the point and make it here, right? And just double click on the text and make it changes to, just double click and changes to Y. Now XY line is ready. The second one, this is 20 mm, 80 mm true length. Then point A is the point C. Sorry, point C is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So 20 mm above HP. So take line. Just I click this, and if you want to straight line, so ortho mode should be on. Just to click on this. Now is 20. Press escape, and it's again the same line, same point. So I used 30. Zoom it like this. Okay. If you want to dimension, press this one, linear. So just zoom it, you can see the dimension. So 20 mm. If you want to change the dimension style or the font size of the dimension, just D. So D is dimension style, dim style. Enter, go to modify, and here the text size to be increased. So approximately I give 1.5, and the units, the decimal precision will be 0.00 format, press OK, then set current. Okay, now this is the point. Okay, now so the point is true length will be 80 mm, right? And make an angle of 30 degree, 2 HP, right? Now first I draw the line from this, so just I type it as 80. Okay. And similarly from the bottom also the same line, 80. Only the angle will be different. Now select the line. If you want to rotate, command will be rotate, command RO. And first press the RO, rotate, enter, select the line object, that is line, again press enter. Now specify the base point. Now this is my base point. Now of the ortho mode, right? See, look at this, it is angle. So what is the angle here? It is 30 degree. It's 30 degree. Just I press 30. Okay. If you want to check, later we check, right? Now this is inclination to 45 degree to VP. Now again same thing, rotate RO, enter, select the object, again press enter, base point here. And for this the total angle is degree. This is the anti-clockwise rotation. So now the angle is 45. You should not give 45 as it is. So it should be 180 plus 90, 270 plus 45. So that is 360 minus 45. So 315. So if you put angle, rotation angle 45 means it look like this, right? So you should not do this. So just U enter. That is U is nothing but undo. Now RO enter, base point. Now the angle is 315. It is 45 degree. Now I straight line. This is locus. Again, I draw, just imagine locus point. Now I draw the line from the here. This is the top view length. That is, this is your top view length, 69.28. And similarly, draw the projector from this point. So it will be a front view length. It is linear, right click. So it is 56.57. Right now, locus line here. So just if you want to extend this line this side, just to select the line, this end point, click this end point, just move it by using your mouse. Like this it extended. Similarly, I do it here bottom, and first straight line, press escape, select this line and this point, and just drag it, stitch. Now so provide arc. So arc, center, start, end, center, start, end. This is my center point. This is my, yeah, start and end point. See, like this. Just click, right? Similarly, again we go to center, start, end. Okay, this point up to this. So now hold control key for changing the dimension. See, right? So this is arc. Now I put the line from here. This line for to find out the true inclination. So that we have to draw this line. Now these two lines are the true inclination. I put this as right. Now measure the inclination. So go to angular, and first one it's called 30 degree, and similarly select, and this one as 45. Again select this line up to this 45 degree, and angular it is 55 degree, right? The top view length will be 69.2, and same it's aligned. You want to measure this, it is also indicating the same aligned dimension, right? Similarly, for true length 80 mm, right? This is our basic problem for the AutoCAD. And the second problem, the line AB measuring 75 mm long, point A is 50 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. Point B also 15 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. Top view of the length of AB is 50 mm long. Find the front view length and the true inclinations. Here the reverse problem. Here the inclination is not given. The previous problem theta and phi is given. For this problem phi and theta is not given. Instead of, they are using locus levels are given, and also the top view length will be given. So 50 mm. So using this we have to find out front view length and inclination. So let's start now. The same thing we follow here also. Now started with line. Same thing I do it. So just I put just 50. This is XY line. Okay. Now A dash, first A dash 15 mm. Just line enter or select line here. This point it is 15, and draw the locus up to this. So anything. So you want to steam, just it is a imaginary line. So here the both A dash and B dash are both 15 mm. So the locus point A and B are same, and for in front of VP, A is 50 mm, B is 15 mm. So now like to join, it is the A is 50 mm, so like 50. Now locus A, just I want to, now just I copy from here. For excellent, for ortho mode should be off. Yeah, for the identification, so which one is XY line, which one is locus line, right? That's why I'm put it here. Then one more thing, here line, so it is 15 mm. Locus of B, here also plus the mode is locus. Now this is locus A dash and B dash. This locus B, and this line locus A, right? Okay. Now again better you write it for identification. Increase to 2 is locus of A dash and B dash. And just I copy this and just I delete it. It's nothing but locus of B, and just copy is locus of small b. Now the top view length is given and true length also given. Now I use the top view length 50 mm. So the previous problem, this is the locus point B, that is locus point A. The 50 mm is, this is top view length. Previous problem, as per the problem, it is projected from this line. Okay, so now it is directly given locus of A, right? So now I measure, for example, Take this one. Now from this point, just I measure 50 or better you go to center end, start end. This is first point, starting point of the arc. Then next point will be 50. Now just an arc, provide an arc, right? Okay, that point will meet this area. Okay, now so draw the projectors from straight line plus somewhere, and similarly draw the projector from this point also, right? And join this line. Okay, now again I take center, start, end, the center point. The starting point will be, the true length is 75, so I measure 75. Now I started the joints, right? Now the locus point will be here. Okay, now let's join the lines from here and also from here. Okay, now once again, so before doing this, now this is 75 mm from locus point B, because this locus point B, this is locus point, because this line only we are driving the, okay, right? Now the locus, the point will be taken from the locus of point B only. Okay, now I measure start under radius, starting the center radius. It is 75. Okay, and this one, and similarly I do it again. This arc, center end, this is center point, and hold control key for, and of the right, this point. Now I joining this line, or better one thing, better you think, it is a line where it meets, I change the line, right? This is correct. Okay, ortho mode on, join the lines where it meets. So now the line is ready. Okay, I changes this line similarly for this line or the green color. Okay, now measure the inclination. It is 50 mm. Now inclination, angular 25, and this 44. Similarly, from this to this side 53, and from this 62. And measure the distance 15, same 15, and from this point 35. This totally 50 mm, right? Now aligned, check the measurement is 82, and the green color line will be 75. And aligned, this will be 50. And similarly, this line will be 82.7. So 82.77, right? It is 75. Okay. Thank you for watching.